Hey, what's up everybody? So I've had my Note 9 for just a few days now, and can you believe I dropped it already? It was only from about 3 feet though. Needless to say, the phone is still in perfect condition, but as you can see, I'm putting a skin on it. Enan here from Droid Mania, and this is how I install my dbrand skins. So let's do this. I only cover the back of the phone and the camera. If you've seen my previous videos, then you know that I do have a Whitestone Dome protector on my display. Want one? Here's a discount code for Amazon US for 99% off. It's first come, first served. I start with the easiest part first, putting on the camera sticker, and use that to line up the main portion of the skin. This part's pretty easy. How's that look? I went with the gray carbon fiber skin here because I'm thinking about updating the trim in my car to match. I think it'll be a good look. Okay, so like I said, that part's pretty easy. I use the camera as a guide with the skin covering it and make sure that the top is straight and centered. Then I flip the phone over and line up the bottom. Again, I make sure that it's perfectly lined up. And I also do a quick check to make sure that the sides don't hit the frame. Oh, and here's another coupon code for the Whitestone Dome, and one more for good measure in case you missed the last one. And with everything looking good, I remove the backing and press out in the air. Now you will need a blow dryer to heat the sides, top, and bottom of the phone to press down and activate the adhesive, so I go ahead and do that. I get the phone hot enough just to make sure that the skin sticks. It gets warm to the touch so you'll know when it's ready. Next, I take the included microfiber cloth and rub down each side about 10 or 15 times to remove any roughness. Okay, maybe a bit more than that because I'm obsessive, but I'm trying to make it smooth to the touch. And if you didn't get a code for the Whitestone Dome, here's another. These are single-use codes, so you gotta be fast, that is if you want one. But first, finish watching the video. Now that I'm finished, I'm ready to enjoy my new skin. The Note 9 is much bigger than I would have thought, so imagine the phone with a big bulky case. Yeah, not my style. So personally, I'm going with a skin or a thin case when I leave the house. But before we go, here's the last Whitestone Dome code, and I wanted to let you know I got some new tech for my car, and the video's coming soon. If you've enjoyed this one, do leave a thumbs up, and if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you go. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.